Hunter Douglas is a world leader in window covering products, and we are also one of the major manufacturer for architectural products. Architectural products meaning metal ceilings, exterior metal claddings and sun louvers. We are very happy to be here in Hyderabad in the opening of our fourth gallery here in partnership with Devi Enterprises in Jubilee Hills. We have displayed all our window fashion products range, and also we have introduced first time in Hyderabad our 3-form products here. 3-form is a translucent material and they are basically resin based products which can be used for any interior applications, right from tabletops to partitions to ceilings, backdrops or any kind of interior application. This 3-form products can be used. Hunter Douglas is a Netherlands based company. We are operating from more than 160 countries. We also have manufacturing units in more than 100 countries. In India we are present from 1995, and last 4 years we are very aggressive, and we have started opening up our galleries in Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities. This gallery in Hyderabad is 28th in India, and we have plans to go to 50 galleries by 2012. We also have manufacturing units in India, basically in Silvassa, for window covering products. We also opened up 2 assembly operations for window covering products, one in Chennai and one this year we have opened in Delhi. We have one more manufacturing unit for false ceiling in Bhiwandi. So altogether we have in 4 locations currently manufacturing operations are going on in India, and we have our marketing offices in Mumbai, Bangalore and Delhi. We also have one more marketing office in Chennai. See, as far as the stores are concerned, 4 stores are more than enough for the time being in Hyderabad. But we have a lesser version of the display network partners which are called authorized dealers, and these network partners will be there. More number of authorized dealers will be there. So in Hyderabad basically we'll have 4 galleries, but then apart from Hyderabad, in Vizag and Visakhapatnam and all these other Tier 2 cities we'll be opening galleries. See, we basically have 3 divisions. One is the window coverings, other one is the architectural products, and 3-form. So this galleries will have 2 category of these products. One is window coverings and the 3-form products. We are a member of the IGBC Council, Indian Green Building Council, because most of our products are green products. Tremendous response. We are very happy because India is growing very big. All of us know this, and particularly for the high-end business where we are present, it's an exciting market. In fact, a place like Hyderabad, as we have opened 4th store, is a big encouragement for us. We established in 1995 in India, but worldwide we are a 90 years old organization. We are basically headquartered from Mumbai, our office, but we have manufacturing locations in Silvassa, Chennai, Delhi and Bhiwandi. We have a very functional and aesthetic product which is today it is not that luxury products cannot be affordable. So we are here to give all the comfort our customers require as far as the light control and window covering is concerned.